How to change birthday on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change birthday on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your birthday on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and then simply open the Facebook application here. And once you launch the Facebook app, you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is you just need to make sure to tap the three lines option from the top right, then just tap the settings option here. Once you tap the settings option, you want to simply go to this option known as See More in Account Center. Then just go to this option over here known as Personal Details. Then go to Date of Birth. And now you can simply go ahead and then make sure to enter a date of birth that you like. So select the Facebook option or tap on Edit, enter the new date of birth, and your birthday will get successfully changed. And this way you can change your birthday on Facebook. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.